Have you ever felt stuck? Like you were meant for something more? Many of us do. We crave a different life, a life filled with purpose and passion. What if I told you there's a way to achieve that? A path to unlock your true potential? That's the promise of Eric Worre's book, GoPro 7 Steps to Becoming a Network Marketing Professional. Now I know what you're thinking. Network marketing? Is that for me? Hold on. This book is about so much more than just selling products. It's about building a life you love on your own terms. It's about taking control of your future. GoPro is especially relevant for young people today. Why? The traditional career path is changing. Entrepreneurship and self-growth are more important than ever. This book gives you the tools and the mindset to thrive in this new world. It's about building something of your own. It's about creating freedom and flexibility. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to wake up every day excited about your work? To have the time and freedom to pursue your passions? GoPro shows you how to make that dream a reality. It all starts with a decision to step outside your comfort zone, a decision to become the best version of yourself. Are you ready to ignite your potential? Are you ready to go pro? Everything begins with a choice. In GoPro, Eric emphasizes the power of deciding to become a network marketing professional. This isn't just about dabbling in the industry, it's about committing to mastery. This means becoming a student of your craft. It means embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. It means showing up every single day, even when it's hard. But here's the exciting part. This decision, this commitment to becoming a professional, is what separates the dreamers from the doers. It's the fuel that propels you towards your goals. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how the most successful people in any field approach their work with a level of dedication and passion that seems almost superhuman? That's the power of decision in action. It's about setting a standard for yourself and refusing to settle for anything less. It's about constantly seeking knowledge, refining your skills, and surrounding yourself with people who push you to be better. It's about becoming the expert, the go-to person in your field. The moment you make that decision, the moment you commit to becoming a true professional, everything changes. You start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. You attract the right people and resources into your life, and you begin to create the kind of success you once only dreamed of. So ask yourself, are you ready to make the decision that will change everything? In the journey to becoming a network marketing professional, finding your people is crucial. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your vision and drive can make all the difference. These are the people who will support you, challenge you, and celebrate your successes. They are your tribe, your community, and your network. In GoPro, Eric Worre emphasizes the importance of building strong relationships and creating a support system that will help you thrive. So, take the time to find your people and watch as your network marketing career takes off. So let's talk about sharing the opportunity. It's all about finding the right moment, you know? You want to be genuine and authentic when you present what you have to offer. It's not about pushing or convincing, but rather sharing your excitement and belief in what you're doing. And hey, it's important to remember that not everyone will be interested, and that's totally okay. Just focus on those who are open and willing to listen. Now let's dive into building your dream. This is where the real magic happens. It's about setting clear goals and taking consistent action towards them. You want to create a vision for your future that excites and motivates you. And don't forget to surround yourself with positive influences and like-minded individuals who support your journey. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep pushing forward, stay committed, and you'll see your dreams come to life. Did you enjoy this book summary? Show some love with a like and subscribe for more exciting content.